Okay, let me teach you as a new beginner on this application how you can do your tax, because you know that if you are new, you can get $10 within 5 days, and you have to take it serious. It means that you must do it every single day for you to get it. If you miss one, that $10 is going to be cancelled. What you are going to do, just click on this start live. Once you click on this start live and you come here, you click on go live. So once you are live, yours is going to be more than, it's going to be 20,000, because it's going to be 5 days. Yours here is going to be 20,000 for the next 5 days. You must do it consecutive. If you don't do it consecutive, you are not going to be get paid that $10. So it's very important, okay? And it's a welcome package for you. But if you are like me that has been there, I've not been inviting people to be doing it, I'm doing it after 7 days. You'll be doing ordinary, which is the one that I'm doing, and I'm earning my money. I don't need to bring anybody on. You just sit down here for 2 hours. If you are receiving the welcome one, that is for you. But if you are like me, it's just 1 hour per day, and I will do it and end my points finished. Okay, when I tap here, you will see that they will said, once I finish that my 1 hour, they will say congratulations for completing a daily duration 60 minutes, and go and get your reward. Finish. Then you click on go to receive. When you get to go to receive, you just click it and receive your reward immediately. That is how you are going to receive your reward. Okay, after that, the next thing that you are going to do is you go out of your live stream. After you have finished your 1 hour, as you can see, I finished my 1 hour. I click on okay. You go to party. You go and look for any party that they are doing party. You tap on it. Okay, because as a woman, you need to sit down for another 1 hour on a seat. So I'm looking for people that are doing party where I can manage myself and sit down for 1 hour. Okay, I'm still going to teach us how to navigate all this place. Okay, so I can sit down here. You see, immediately that I sat down, you can see that, but this is my own profile picture. I sit down. I will sit down here for 1 hour if they permit me. If not, I will look for another live stream and sit down again. So I will sit down for 1 hour. You see, they've removed me. So let me continue. I will start looking for where I can sit down, because you must surely sit down on the golden chair. If you don't sit down on this golden chair, they might not allow you. So you must surely sit down on the golden chair. So that is how to do your tax. I will see you in my next video. Bye.